Welcome back to the Jay Cecil channel, guys. So we are on our way over to Palm Beach International Raceway over on the other coast. We're gonna go over there for some sand drags. We're gonna test out the old Cummins, see how she does, the P-Pump 24 valve we got for a burnout truck, see what it does on the sand drags, and still not done with it. We actually gonna stop and grab a couple little fittings and parts on the way there. We're running behind, so I definitely wanna get some test and tune, if not race it today, and get that under my belt. So we're doing that right now, and then we're also going to stop by a motorcycle shop because I was in such a rush today. I forgot my freaking helmet. So, pretty sure you gotta have a helmet to race. Anyways, we're entering Okeechobee. Justin's along for a ride today, as usual. We're gonna go check this thing out. Hopefully the old Dodge does good. And then tomorrow, at least, you know, if we do the race today, if we do get the race, cool. If not, then we'll do test and tune. And then tomorrow is actually the bigger race. And they're doing truck pulls, sled pulls, all kinds of stuff. So I guess you call it a sled pull for tomorrow. So that's where we're at, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Do not forget, guys, we are running out of time on the Marauder or $25,000 giveaway. All your Jay Cecil merch gets you entered. Every $5 spent is one entry in to win either the Marauder or $25,000. So guys, keep up on that. We appreciate the support on the merch, and hope you guys enjoy the video today.
Stay tuned. You might get to see another one blow up.
Not cool. Not cool. Gotta go on that note. Well, stop one is done. Safety first, guys. Oh, unbelievable.
That's nice.
This is a nice way to start the trip.
Bring a nice new helmet to every race.
Yeah. God dang it. Get out of here tomorrow if possible.
I'm gonna need you to quit cussing when I'm YouTube filming. Look at these tractors, boy. Got them 305 come alive on that thing.
Alive,
that thing will be skating and eating. Got that S10. Ooh, I bet you could pull a...
Dude.
I bet you could pull a 15 row plow with that thing.
I don't think there's one truck here for the sand drags. I'm just going to throw that out there.
No, that's okay. We're going to park next to these boys right here.
Dude,
got the big pull. Got the big pulling tractor.
I don't believe that there is one. Well, we made it, and we're doing our last minute adjustments here. What do you feel about that? I'm not feeling very good right now because I think we're the only truck that showed up to do the dirt drags. But on the other hand, we are gonna see some pretty serious tractors pulling. Look at these freaking things. This thing's got 3 blower motors in it. We're gonna see some pretty cool stuff. But we are the only ones that brought a sand drag truck. Guys, we pulled the bottle out of the truck, and she was has some pressure. She was maxed out, so this one was actually perfect. And that one, we're gonna let her cool down for a little bit. All right, so we're gonna kind of let some nitrous go through the bottle because the line had some crap in it. So I disconnected it from the solenoid up there. I'm gonna have Justin open up a little bit. We'll clean the line out. It's the best we could do right now, and just pray it doesn't plug our solenoid up. You ready? Go ahead. A little bit more? All right, that's good. I mean, if it didn't come out with that, she would have some pressure behind her, so say if it didn't come out with that, we'll be pretty good.
I put us right in the middle of the green too, right where we
Hey.
need to be.
Well, I can't really use this on the sled pull, but...
No, it was fine.
So Justin, you wanna see how we gotta hook the nitrous up? You wanna see this? You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready to see what the hot wire is?
Oh, that's nice. That's real nice. Here, hold on a minute.
Oh, she's solid.
Let me see here real quick.
Don't mess it too much.
Oh, there we
Oh yeah, we're good. We're solid. That's no lie. There's our nitrous button.
Countered our first obstacle. You hold the camera, I'll get the gate.
This is gate B.
You gonna get the gate? Oh, I like it.
Well, we just turned nitrous on, right?
Oh yeah.
Here's our button.
We can get out there and put the fire to it now.
I'm gonna let her warm up just a little bit. Then we'll come back. this little guy right here.
That little guy?
This little guy.
I wouldn't worry about that little guy too much.
Competition needs to worry about that little guy. Let's hope it doesn't scatter the bottom end down the bottom of this highway we're on here.
We're south of the border, just for anybody wondering. Yeah, it likes nitrous.
Likes the nitrous. I like the nitrous. Alright, let's start doing braking. No more nitrous. Until tonight. I don't know if the engine was slipping the clutch or if it was
No, it was spinning the tires.
Was it spinning the tires?
For
It was
sure.
really hard to tell.
For sure.
She was holding her line pretty straight. So.
It was spinning.
Smoke out the road, out the back, boy. I can live with that. I'm happy with that.
Yeah, you're good with it? You think it'll be all right?
So, I believe the limit is 8,500 pounds normally. So we'll see.
You're up on here nice and genteel like. Oh, it says 67.25.
7,500 pounds.
67.25.
That means if a truck comes out here, and that's with you in it.
Yeah, that's me too.
There's 120 pounds right there.
Yeah. Fragile fella.
Call it that. So I had to buy me a helmet so I could pull, and wouldn't you know it?
Like a fighter pilot, dude.
We're golden, brother. Ain't nothing hitting these eyes.
Fighter pilot.
Put on a good show up there.
So we are next class to pull. We're planning on doing any sled pulling, but they're not doing any sand dragging tonight. So, figured we hook it to a sled.
Tell you what, I did a few pulls back in the day. It's been about 6 or 8 years since I've done a pull. So this should be very, very, very interesting because I've never even sled pulled a manual truck. But just hopefully nothing breaks. That's all I'm praying. We broke enough stuff this lately. Just hope nothing breaks.
I don't think they like the bumper. What do you think?
If we weren't unprepared, we just come unprepared, that's all.
Yeah.
So they're going to try to fit it, I guess. I mean, not like we came for this, so.
No. Well, he didn't make 100 foot, so I think he gets to start again. not too bad at all. Got her to go that time.
Get any further traction going.
Well, give a huge shout out to the guys around the sled for taking all the weight out and at least making my truck good. No, it was, dude, that was heavy, man. You knew that thing was, the truck was ripping. I mean,
oh yeah.
Goodness. Are we next to NASA? The truck was ripping. It's hot though right now.
It was 266 feet's what you pulled.
266.
266. Current leader.
Blow eyes coming out.
Oh yeah.
A little more. Oh yeah, she was bubbling a little bit. I don't know if my hands are working.
Nah. They're not on.
Water or something.
What'd you do?
Did better than that guy. I must put the weight back in the sled though, so.
Yeah, he probably put the weight back in. He's putting the tires back up. What is this fine restaurant you brought me to tonight?
Sir, I got you something real good here.
Oh, I get to pick anything I want from this whole thing?
This whole thing, you get to pick whatever you want. I'm buying.
Oh my goodness.
The whole thing. Whatever you want.
Ooh.
Pickle. Well, we are here day 2, headed over to the track right now. Guys, I don't know what they're doing on the east coast of Florida, but last night there was literally not a single hotel room on like the east coast of Florida. So you're looking at Casa de JH Hotel right now. We decided to sleep in the freaking truck last night. Not cool. But either way, we're headed over to Palm Beach International Raceway. They are going to do the dirt drags today. They didn't have enough entries yesterday. I guess Friday, people were working and stuff. I don't know. They couldn't make it. So they are going to be doing that today. And then I don't think we're going to hook the sled. I don't want to like push it too far. But I would like to do a bunch of dirt drags, see what's, you know, hopefully there's some cool fast trucks out here we can rip with. That should be pretty fun. So we're headed there now. Hopefully all our stuff's still there. Hopefully nothing happened. And we are running a little bit late, but not that late. But, you know, feeling good. Took a shower at LA Fitness this morning.
Thanks to the sponsor, LA Fitness.
Gym membership finally kicked in. Got to take a shower there, so thanks, guys. And, yeah, so we're almost PBIR right now. And we're ready to send it. All right, so we signed up. We're having trouble to figure out what class to sign up for, though, so we're not totally done. A couple trucks here, a couple trucks we see that are pretty freaking quick. They're pretty badass. So we're gonna see what we need to do as far as classes go. I don't know yet right now. But Justin's installing the old bot tool, getting a little bit of spray to the little girl, and
Just a little sniff.
just a little sniffer, and we'll see what she does.
So we're getting ready to go have a driver's meeting and get everything squared away with the race. Well, what do you think?
Well, thinking that the motor's knocking a little more, and it's running pretty good though. Ran really good last night,
Yep.
so see what it does. Pretty happy about it. See what happens so far.
Looks like we got a square body.
A lot of trucks, a lot of badass trucks here.
Yeah, it's got a square body with a pretty healthy small block in it. 6.7. Got another Cummins. Another square body over there. Another square body there. A couple more trucks down there. It's basically the whole, all the trucks are in one class because there's not that many trucks.
All right, the old war wagon's ready. So we're gonna do 3 practice runs, see how the truck runs, get the feel of it, and then after that we start doing eliminations. We're gonna do a winner bracket and a loser bracket too. So we'll see how this goes.
Justin got that one. Looks like the Chevy was breaking up a little bit. Truck ran super good. Woke up pretty good when he sprayed it.
Well, first pass, truck ran really good. I was really happy with it. The line, it's slow getting off the line, but once it came off the line, I was pretty happy with it. It was doing pretty good. So I sprayed the whole freaking track, dude. I don't know how big of a shot we got, but I gave it everything. I tell you that right now. I did not let off that nitrous button. Had her in my hand. That was neat. Anyways, guys, so we'll see. This is just a practice run. I'm probably gonna do at least one more, maybe 2. We'll see how it does.
2 square body Chevys ought to be a pretty good race. They both run pretty good. Blue Chevy nosed them out just a little bit. Took another one. Thing's running real good. You can hear it when the nitrous comes on. It really comes alive.
sweatshirt. Go see He's Alive.
Got burned down on that one. She was messing with her truck for a while, but I don't know, it's still running, which is a plus, and we're not everything's still working, so we're just gonna see what happens. Maybe let this thing cool down for a minute and get ready for the I guess for the actual races. I don't know how we're gonna line up or what we're gonna do yet, but we'll see.
Might not be good. We'll have to go see.
All right, so I just lost first round. No big deal. It's kind of a good thing. I'm in the loser bracket. So hopefully I come in a loser bracket and I can work my way up to get back to the winners. We'll see what happens. But wasn't the plan, but I don't know, I just screwed up at the start, and I don't know, it happens. But I'm not complaining, because I kind of, in a way, like I was like, man, if I lose first round, cool. If I lost like second round, they'd be like, crap, man, now I'm out. But see, now I go back in the loser bracket, I can come back hopefully and pull a W.
So on that last run, all it did is he bumped the nitrous a little early. He was trying to get out on that other truck. Just got a little excited.
And in the left-hand lane, Justin Hildebrand. In the second gen Dodge. And he is from 47. So let's see if we can get the win on this. And they can start off. Let's go.
Well, that's how it goes.
Line us up at the line, and they're like, all right, they give me the thumbs up, he's got the thumbs up, everything's good. So I sit there, I'm sitting at the truck at 5,000 RPMs. I'm like sitting there, I'm like, what are we doing? Why are we not waving the flag? And the guy's just sitting there. And then finally, I don't know what the other guy did in the other truck, and they let us go. And it's just like, so kind of shitty in a way, but hey, that's how they want to race. That's fine. But literally sit there and let me burn my shit down on the line, like, I don't know. It is what it is, but not really happy about it, because I don't know, that's just not, in my opinion, not great racing. Race heads up. Is your truck faster or not? Better driver or not? Burning someone down the line is not cool. Either way, guys, so hope you guys enjoyed this. It was pretty fun. I did have a blast. I'm really impressed with this thing. We do hear a pretty nasty little knot coming in the motor. So I'm hoping I can do is maybe just roll the bearings out of it. Maybe pop some new bearings in. I think I'm gonna drop the oil pan and just kind of see if we see anything in it. But yeah, so didn't do very good because didn't win, but I don't know, it just kind of sucked how it all worked out. Either way though, we'll come back to another one and see what she can do. So again, guys, thank you for watching JC's channel. We'll see you next time.